Hey guys, Christian here and Baron with Uncharted Supply. Hey. When we launched the 72, we got requests from people who had already built their own kits to just get our insert. They thought it was a better way to organize, they liked the instructions, they liked a lot of things about this. So we're now selling this right here on the website. Here's a few of my favorite features. First of all, tons of instruction on here. This will get you through almost anything. Everything from air, shelter, water, food, first aid, bugs. There's a lot of information here to get you right to the right thing as fast as possible. You'll also notice it's color coordinated. When you open this up, every pocket is color coordinated with the instructions, giving you quick access to what you need. The insert features backpack straps. If you've got a backpack and this is inside, and you suddenly need to carry more supplies, somebody can wear this and then you have a backpack to fill, doubling your capacity. And one of my favorite features is the hard plastic panels. Not only does it provide protection and structure to the 72 insert, but it also is pre-drilled with holes, which allow you to make an arm sling out of this or snowshoes. This is a super useful, well thought out piece of equipment that anybody can use. Check it out now at unchartedsupplyco.com.